because the smell, the lemon coming off of this is so good. So I'm going to eat this now. So. Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today, what I'm going to do today is, it's called lemon rosemary roasted chicken and potatoes. So obviously I've got chicken, now I've got potatoes. Rosemary over here, some sprigs of rosemary, I've got a couple of lemons, 8 cloves of garlic, some tomatoes, some Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, a bit of stuff on that, don't know what that is. Salt and pepper and olive oil. So what we're going to do, we're going to start prepping this up and I'll bring you back. See you soon. Okay, so we've got our chicken. It's got rosemary and lemon stuffed inside. On the outside, it's got olive oil, rosemary, lemon, salt and pepper, and garlic smothered on the outside. And this will all obviously melt down and do all its lovely magic in the oven. I've got some potatoes on. They're over there in the pan. They're going to be part boiled, and then we're going to stick them in a separate dish and put them in the oven with garlic, olive oil, rosemary, a little bit of lemon zest as well, and some more smashed up garlic inside, and we'll stick some potatoes in later on. So we'll get this in the oven and I'll sort the potatoes out. So See you soon. Okay, so we've got our boiled potatoes in, just crushed them down a little bit. Nice olive oil, garlic, rosemary, drop another little sprig in the bottom, rosemary, and just zest up the rest of this lemon. Squeeze the lemon in there. And what we do, we put those in I don't know, about 3/4 of an hour's time. Let the chicken cook through a little bit. Put these in, then put these in the oven, and then about 10 minutes before the end, we're going to put these tomatoes in with the potatoes. These ones are actually from my garden. I've grown myself. Amazing, isn't it? So, we'll see you back soon. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the chicken. Okay, so the chicken's running clear, so that's good. As long as it's running clear, that's good stuff. So we're going to pop this back in. My new gloves, and we're going to stick our potatoes in. It's all covered in all the goodness, and we'll see you soon. Okay, so we're going to pull out the potatoes. Lovely. Get our tomatoes. And we'll put these back in, and we'll see you in a while. Cheers, guys. Okay, so there we go. We've got our lemon, rosemary roasted chicken and potatoes. The chicken's been done in like lemon and garlic, lemon zest, stuck with lemons and rosemary, Same with the potatoes with some tomatoes. We've got a steamed cauliflower and broccoli and some mixed vegetables. So this is going to be tasty. I'm not going to put gravy on it because that would absolutely ruin it. Because the smell, the lemon coming off of this is so good. So I'm going to eat this now. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one and see what we come up with. See you soon, guys. Take it easy and stay safe.